So today I'm going to show you how to install Desmond, which is a software for molecular dynamics in Linux machine. So you can simply come to this DShaw research group page. You will see something like this. They have also provided some simulations related to COVID. All this simulation data is available here. So I think those things you can just, if you will go here, molecular dynamics simulation related to SARS-CoV-2, you'll get all those. So they have done simulation of protease, RDRP, as well as this spike protein. So that's not we are going to discuss today. So the main agenda for today is to see how to install Desmond, how to set environment variables for Desmond in Linux. Okay, so you can simply click on this Desmond button here. This is a registration form. You can simply add all the information and then just submit Desmond registration page. I have done already for you, and I have already downloaded the software, and you will get one this .tar format file. Just simply right click and click on extract here, and it will take a while too. Meanwhile, I'll just show you. So there could be multiple ways to install, means not multiple ways to install, but yeah, where you want to install it. Like I usually prefer, like by default it will directly go to your op directory, which is this one. Okay, and I'm not very comfortable with installing softwares in opt. So what I used to do is I used to install that on my home directory. So what I will do, I'll make a folder in my home directory. Actually, I've already made that. I'll simply remove this uh, thing, this folder. Now what I will do, I will just make one folder named Desmond, another folder mkdir Desmond. So mkdir is the command for to make any directory on your Linux machine. So this is done. Now we have this Desmond here. If I will go inside this directory, this is empty. Okay, just take the path of this directory, which is home panth Desmond. Now I will again come to the my home directory. Now you need a scratch directory where your temporary file should go. Okay, no, I have already made this scratch directory for me. Okay, and the path will be same, home panth, then slash, it will be scratch. Now let's go and install the software. Okay, just go inside this directory, and I'll simply copy this. Now you will have bunch of files here, so you simply need a dot this install script. Okay, just simply dot slash install, click here, press enter to continue. Then it's asking, see, so for me I have already made it software, sorry, home panth Desmond, and now I will simply say yes, go for it. Now I have to give a scratch directory. So just make sure that these all directories are also should be available at this path. Okay, so this is my scratch directory, simply say yes. Now the thing is, you don't need a license for Desmond installation or running a Desmond on your machine. Okay, the license should install automatically at the end. I'll show you, it will pop up that message that license is already installed. Then you have to set the environment variable so that you can simply open Desmond from your terminal window only. So you don't have to look for GUI or anything, and that will also help you to run a job from command line. Or if you want, if you are like you don't have a display in that machine, and you want to run your you want to control your Desmond from command line from your Linux terminal, that can be done. Okay. Okay, let's wait, it's taking some time. Pa, 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 pa. Yeah, so meanwhile, I'll just show you how we will set the environment variable. So there is a bash file in your Linux machine. So actually, I have already noted the path, okay, but so you might see that my bash src file is kind of editable, and for you it's not. So I use vi, might be you are using vim or someone is using gedit or something. I'm not aware about this editing tools, but yeah, I usually use vi for that. So we will see. Yeah, so our installation is done. So okay, just for safe side, just make it yes, create application launcher. Now see, it's saying installing academic license. It should automatically install it. Now when I'm saying launcher, if you go to your activity and you look for here Mestro, it will show you all those things. Okay, but we don't need that. Okay, we can just simply you know set the environment variable, and it should go directly from there. Okay, so yeah, we can also see if uh, like what are the other ways. Okay, so yeah, so if you see, one second, I think you are not able to see. Yeah, so I just what I did, I went inside the Desmond folder which we made in our home directory. Okay, cd Desmond. Okay, yeah, let's do it. Yeah, so I went there. You just simply do this dot slash mestro. It should open your, it's saying for academic use, do not use for any commercial use. Okay, it's opening. So this is one way how you can open your mestro. Another I showed you, if you go like this and click here, it should open like this. Okay, now the problem in these two ways is you have to every time you have to change your working directory. Now the third way what I'm showing you, in that case what you can do is, if you are inside a new directory which you are looking for to make that directory as your working directory. Okay, I'll show you. I think by talking it sounds more confusing. Okay, so oops, yeah, so we install Desmond in this directory. This is the path for this directory. Just simply open your bash src file. Okay, just open your bash src file. Simply write export Desmond. So I have already given the path. You can simply see I just gave the path. Then I set the alias. Like I will type Desmond, and it should open. It should go into that path and open the Mestro for us. Okay. Q. Now if I will simply, sorry, not Mestro. Now if you see, if I type Desmond and I'll click OK, so this is opening my Mestro. Okay, and if we see my working directory is home panth slash Desmond. Okay, just we will close this. Okay, now what I will do, let's go to the home directory. Okay, now you see this time my directory will be, my working directory will be my home directory. So from which directory you are opening your Mestro, that will be your working directory. You can change it at any point of time, make a new folder, go inside that, choose. So now your all the files will go, all the job related files will go into that directory. So that's it. This is how you install Desmond on your Linux machine. Thank you.